I would like to thank all of you for all the care, pains, and all the way you take care of us. Thank you once again. I would now quickly start on with a few important things that we want to share before we to call upon the branch chairman to introduce themselves. First of all, for all those who have joined in the last week, we have 55 branch partners now, branches as partner of our movement, and we have more than 2,300 participants who are participating every day with us. Either they are joining us virtually on Zoom 7 to 8 in the morning, or they are doing one or the other activity. There are 10 groups now. So for those who are new to it, there are 10 groups. So there is Ahmedabad Movement 73, Group 1 to Group 10. Those are the information groups. So you will get the Zoom links, you will get all the information, the flyers in that group. There are also some running, cycling, walking groups. So in case you are a part of it, if you are not a part of it, let us know. We will add you to those groups. And we are happy to have Archana Shah as our nutritionist. She is on board. And there are 3 nutritionist group as well. So in case you want to be a part of it, please do let me know. With this, I think last week we had a very good surprise Bhangra workout on last Tuesday. This Tuesday is something new which is coming up, and I'm sure with the kind of voting that is happening, we have got more than 800 votes as of now, and we have 2 or 3 top category. Let's see which wins. But we have something very exciting coming up for this Tuesday morning as well. Coming for the kids event, I think we are very happy to see that when we launch it on Saturday morning, Friday morning, we have in 2 days we have more than 400 kids participating. And yesterday was a Zumba exercise event for kids. There were more. I think it was very heartening and very happy for us to see 400 kids dancing on the beats of the Bollywood songs. From tomorrow onwards, they have a special sessions from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The schedule has been shared in the flyer, so you can refer to that. Now I would request our first branch chairman for today from Aurangabad. I think about Pankajji, I'll just say that he's a very proactive person. He's also very active in our groups. He's posting his activities. He's encouraging his members, and he's from the city of Aurangabad. Pankajji, if you can please unmute and address all the audience.
Yes. Good morning, everybody. It's a wonderful event that has been organized by Ahmedabad branch, and all the branches are joining, and soon it will be up tak 56. I think 55 branches are there. So soon it will be up tak 56 branches and many more to come. Maybe even till event completes, I think 100 plus branches will be there. And it is a fantastic event that has been organized by Ahmedabad Movement 73, which will help all the members to inculcate the habit of fitness. It is not only about this 73 days, it is about 730 days after that, or even 7,300 days after that, that this movement will keep inculcating the habit of fitness in the members, which will be helpful in the long run. So actually it is not a project of only 73 days, but it is a project which can create the discipline in the members for coming for members and all others who have attended for coming so many years. So I thank CA Harit Dhariwal and his whole team of Ahmedabad branch, Anjali Choksi madam and all others, for taking this wonderful initiative and joining maximum branches to it. We have a fantastic response from members of Aurangabad branch, and they are very, very happy with this event. So thank you, Harit, for this wonderful initiative. Over to you, Harit.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it's great to see you leading from the front, and we have more than 50 plus suggestions from Aurangabad. So thank you so much for taking that initiative to the next level. I would now request the chairman from Thane, CA Shiv Bhagwan Asawa ji, to please address all of us.
Thank you, Harit bhai, for giving me this opportunity. Really, this has created a wave all across India, even some foreign soil, that Ahmedabad is doing so much of things. This is a fantastic idea. I appreciate, I congratulate to initiate and develop and execute this idea. And dear members, good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. I really hope you and your loved ones are in good health. I really appreciate that you have taken time out for this session on a Sunday and amid the chaos of this pandemic. As of yesterday, India has registered 4+ lakh fresh cases of COVID. The situation is challenging and we all have our concerns. And during this time, we need to keep our mindset positive. That will help us a lot. जो मंजिलों को पाने की चाहत रखते हैं, वो समुंदर पर भी पत्थरों का पुल बना देते हैं. During this situation, Ahmedabad branch came out with such a nice 73-day programs covering every aspect of life. Hats off to CA Harit Dhariwal and his entire team behind this. Once again, I appreciate the effort and pain taken by team Ahmedabad. Lots of learn from you guys. हालात वो ना रखे जो हौसलों को बदल दे, बल्कि हौसला वो रखे जो हालातों को बदल दे. Thank you, Harit Bhai, for giving me this opportunity to address all the August gatherings. Thank you once again. And in future, we will be doing much more bigger events together with your branch. Hats off to you again, Harit. Over to Harit Bhai.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. I think Thane is known for the city of lakes, but I'm sure it's going to be known now for your shairis as well. I'm going to learn a lot from you this year, sir. And even Thane branch is doing commendable the way they are organizing blood camps, the plasma donation drives. So we all are together learning, and we are taking each other's help in this pandemic. Now coming to a city which is known for its sports industry, I think when we hear about this city, I think the first thing that comes to our mind is the sports equipment industry. And I think all the major players, like all the major sports equipments, are being made here. I'm talking about Jalandhar, and I'm very happy to have here with us the chairperson of Jalandhar branch, Sonia Arora ji. She is very active as far as the women programs are concerned, but this year she's very active for the branch. She has been working extremely hard for the COVID related things at a branch. They have their own COVID task force, and they are doing extremely well in these tough times. I would now request Sonia ji to please address all of us.
Thank you so much, Harichi, for the kind words, and a very warm good morning and happy Mother's Day to all. First of all, I want to give my special thanks to Ahmedabad branch for making our branch a part of this wonderful event. In this pandemic, the need of the hour is to spread a dash of positivity or enthusiasm in the air. And I believe with this event, you are truly contributing towards it. And for Harshit's passionate, ever-helping attitude, humbleness, these are just a few glimpses of personality I saw of you during our interaction. And let me share a very small story with you all. A young girl and father, they were walking along a forest post. And at the same point, they came across a large tree branch on the ground in front of them. The girl asked, "Father, if I try, you think I can move that branch?" Her father replied, "I'm sure you can do it if you use all your strength." The girl tried hard. He pushed the branch, but he's not able to do that. So yes, she was disappointed and said, "Father, you were wrong. I can't move it. Try." Then the father said, "Try again with all your strength." Again, the girl tried, but he failed. But from this, what lesson we get? Why girl is failing all the time? The moral is our real strength doesn't lie in independence, but in interdependence. No individual has all the strength and resources, and I think to ask for a help is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of wisdom. And the branch, I must say, they have used all the strength by joining all this team and 55 all together. They have used their wisdom, I think, and rightly applied. कहते हैं ना, CA है तो mind apply कर दिया. So you have proved that a true CA in a true sense. And at the end, if anybody asks about me, have you heard about what do you say about Ahmedabad branch? So I must say fantastic, fantabulous, commendable, and the best. The list of adjectives I will keep on adding for the Ahmedabad branch. Thanks a lot once again for giving me this opportunity. And once again, happy Mother's Day to all. Stay positive and stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's always a pleasure to hear you. And we will definitely call you for a motivational session as you were discussing. So that is on for the card soon. Now coming to the city of marbles, CA Saket Kalaniji from Kishangarh. I must say he's one chairman who is putting his posts on a daily basis, wherein what activity he's doing. He's motivating all his members of his branch, and the one who's leading the front, be it any activity, Zumba, or even as far as the yoga is concerned or his cycling is concerned, he's always there. So thank you, Saket ji. I will now request you to address all of us.
Thanks, Harit bhai. Ahmedabad branch has taken a very good initiative of developing a concept of healthy and fit India. As we all know that Corona is impacting highly at pan-India level, and hence the immunity power booster is highly essentially for the society as a whole. I am personally thankful to Harit Bhai, Bishan Bhai, Anjali ma'am and other teammates that the dedication of you all is noticeable and it extremely impactfully. We always recon Ahmedabad branch as pioneer in all the kinds of activities since last many years. I am not mistaken that Ahmedabad branch is probably the biggest branch after 4 metros. This year in Kishangarh branch, we are planning for building construction and we have already got the approval of the council as well. We are also organizing at least 3 webinars in every week. Thanks to Harit Bhai.
Thank you, Kishan ji. Hello. Yeah, is it audible? Yeah, thank you, Saket ji, for a wonderful address.
Harit
Yes.
Bhai, sorry to interrupt. Pankaj here.
Yeah, Pankaj ji.
हरीश भाई इस मूवमेंट को ना एक ऐसा ऑटो मोड में डाल के कैन वी कंटिन्यू इट फॉर यू नो अ लॉन्गर पीरियड मे बी 6 months 7 months so that will be even better. थोड़ा इन्वॉल्वमेंट मतलब इसको अगर थोड़ा ऑटो मोड में डाल देंगे सो दैट रेगुलर प्लानिंग तो आप लोगों की भी मेहनत थोड़ी कंपैरेटिवली इस पे कम होगी एंड वी कैन टेक इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड. Maybe you might have to take some more charges for compensating the fitness trainers. They will come because they cannot come. We cannot expect them to come for a longer time of 6 months at a lesser charge or free of charge. But if that can be done, that will be even better. You can just think of that.
Absolutely, sir. We'll definitely take into consideration. Thank you, Saket ji, for your wonderful words. It's always good to have you. Now coming to the branch which we all know is the birthplace of Krishna, Lord Krishna. I'm talking about Mathura. I'm very happy to have very enthusiastic chairman Sanjeev ji Agarwal from Mathura join us. When I talked to him, he was so enthusiastic. He just told me that we will do these kind of events even at branch. मैं मेरे पूरे screen पे branch में screen लगा लेता हूँ and all the members will be doing it live from there. So amazing personality. I would request now Sanjeev ji to please address all of us.
Thank you, Harit ji. Good morning, all of you. आप सभी को भगवान श्री कृष्ण की जन्मस्थली से राधे राधे.
राधे राधे.
राधे राधे सर. मतलब मैं हरित भाई से बहुत इम्प्रेस हूँ और अहमदाबाद ब्रांच से बहुत इम्प्रेस हूँ. इतना यूनिक आइडिया, ये आइडिया उन्होंने ना केवल एक ब्रांच पर अप्लाई किया बल्कि धीमे धीमे करके इन्होंने सारी भारत की ब्रांचेज को जोड़ लिया. कोरोना पैंडेमिक में जहाँ पहले सेमिनार्स होनी बंद हो गई थी, उसके बाद ब्रांचेज ने वेबिनार्स चालू की. लेकिन उस आइडिया को हम लोग फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट, हेल्थ के ऊपर या दूसरी एक्टिविटीज के ऊपर, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट पढ़ाई से अलग सेक्शंस एक्ट से अलग हटके कुछ सोचे, उसको अप्लाई करना. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि जैसे भारत का नेतृत्व एक गुजराती नरेंद्र भाई मोदी कर रहे हैं, उसी तरह इस वाले मूवमेंट का सारे भारत की ब्रांचेस के बीच में अहमदाबाद से ही एक लीडरशिप निकल के आई है. तो हरित भाई बहुत ही मतलब साधुवाद के पात्र हैं, बहुत ही साधुवाद के पात्र हैं. और अभी तो 56 ब्रांचेज हो चुकी हैं करीब करीब. तो अब सबसे बढ़िया आइडिया क्या निकला कि इस जो फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट का है, एक तो हम जैसे ही मथुरा में भी लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ है, जैसे ही ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा हम एक बड़ी स्क्रीन पर, मथुरा ब्रांच की अपनी एक बिल्डिंग है जिसमें करीब करीब 200 आदमियों की कैपेसिटी है बैठने की, तो वहां पर एक स्क्रीन लगाकर बड़ी और मेंबर्स को एनकरेज करेंगे कि डेली वहां आए, तो उससे डेली मिलना हो जाएगा हमारा और इतने बढ़िया मूवमेंट में जुड़ जाएंगे. इसके अलावा इस मूवमेंट को हम साल दर साल पूरे साल भी या तो अहमदाबाद ब्रांच के जरिए या आपस में और ब्रांचेस के जरिए या अकेले मथुरा ब्रांच के दम पर भी इसको करने की सोच रहे हैं. बहुत बढ़िया इनिशिएटिव है. ना केवल ये इनिशिएटिव बढ़िया है बल्कि इस इनिशिएटिव के माध्यम से हम लोगों को आगे और भी बहुत कुछ करने की प्रेरणा दी है. थैंक यू हरित भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू ऑल.
Sir, thank you so much, Sanjeev ji, for your kind words. I now, from the land of Krishna, going to the land of Lord Shiva. I'm talking about Ernakulam branch. The name Ernakulam is derived from Annaya Kudlam, which means the abode of Lord Shiva. And I'm very happy to have the chairman from Ernakulam branch, Ranjit Warrior ji, who has joined us. About him, I'll just say he's a very enthusiastic person. He's a cricketer also. I think there are very few cricketers. He has played Ranji, who are now chartered accountants. He's the chairman of Ernakulam branch. A very enthusiastic person. I would request Ranjit ji to please address all of us.
सर कुछ कनेक्शन इशू हुआ लगता है.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes. I'm so sorry. So thank you so much. A great pleasure for me to be joining you all today, this fine Sunday morning. Now, at the outset, let me congratulate and appreciate the efforts of CA Harith Dariwalji, Chairman of Ahmedabad, and his team, rightly supported for this fantastic and phenomenal movement, probably first of its kind in the entire country in our profession per se. Like how he said, thankfully, I've had the good opportunity to have some share of sports in my life, which has truly helped me, not just being a sports person in a fitness way, but apart from that, the kind of learning that you derive being a sports personality in terms of your other skills like team building, teamwork, leadership skills, stuff like that. So it really helps. And especially is the importance of these kinds of activities for the given point of time that all of us are going through a very challenging and tough time. Especially in Kerala, we've started with our lockdown, statewide lockdown since yesterday, and given to understand that Tamil Nadu is also going into a lockdown from tomorrow onwards. And hence is the time and importance for a lot of stress and importance on mental and physical fitness and wellness. And that's how I've been trying to convey the point across to the entire state of Kerala through our chartered accountants fraternity and in all my personal webinars as well. So thank you so much, Dariwalji, for this phenomenal gate of wellness opportunity that is spread across the country, supporting all these kinds of activities across the country. And I also assure my wholehearted support, and I'll also bring in all the branches possible in the state of Kerala and probably across the South Indian region. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranjit ji. I think you have been phenomenal in helping us connect the different branches of Kerala. Thank you so much for your support. And one thing that I also got to know from you is that Ernakulam also has a Gujarati school, and Ernakulam branch is the first, maybe the first branch of ICI when the institute had its own building. So we are very happy to have you with us. Now coming to the city of cotton, so cotton city of India, Akola. I'm very happy to have Keyur Bhai join us. Keyur Dedia ji from Akola has joined us. Sir, if you can please address all of us.
Thank you, Harith Bhai. Good morning to one and all. At the outset, on behalf of our Akola branch and my team members, would like to thank you, Harith Bhai, the Ahmedabad branch, and your entire team for taking this very good initiative, Movement 73, the Fitness Carnival, and making our Akola branch to be a part of this event. I would also like to thank and appreciate all the 55 branches who have joined till date. और यही आशा करता हूं कि हम जो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहा गया कि हम 100 ब्रांचेस तक के भी बिल्कुल पहुंच जाएंगे कुछ ही दिनों में. Currently situation is due to this pandemic is daily not bad, good enough. And सबसे important concern हम सबका क्या है यहाँ पे health. तो हेल्थ इज वेल्थ जो सही में कहा गया है, और इसी मोटो को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपने जो इवेंट स्टार्ट किया एंड डेली एक्टिविटीज, जुम्बा है, योगा, टोबाटा, फिर सुपर संडेज होता है, और अभी बच्चों के लिए भी जो वंडर किड्स का पार्ट आ गया है, सुपर पार्ट, एंड रियली एंजॉयिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Many members have joined from our Akola part and who are also enjoying this part. The special part out of this is the cycling and the running groups. I am a part of those group. एंड बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है जब मेंबर्स अपना अपना एक जो उन्होंने वर्कआउट किया वो पोस्ट करते हैं, एंड वी फील दैट नहीं यार, वी नीड टू डू समथिंग मोर बेटर, गेट एनर्जाइज्ड एंड मोटिवेटेड फ्रॉम दोस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट आफ्टर व्यूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो अ वेरी गुड पार्ट सर. एंड द आइडियोलॉजी अगेन, एक वो जो पार्ट है वीकली चैलेंज, नो शुगर वीक, पुशअप्स चैलेंज, बहुत ही बढ़िया. हैबिट हो गई अब कि शुगर को कम करना है कुछ कुछ जगहों पे, तो हेल्थ का ध्यान सभी को रखना है. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द मेंबर्स फॉर दिस मूवमेंट हु हैव जॉइंड टू ask other members and the family members to join for this part and continue this schedule of exercising daily, not only for 73 days but after that also into your life. Keep yourself charged enough and energized. Take care of your health and stay healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you. Over to you, Harith bhai.
Thank you so much, Keyur ji, for your nice words. I think as you rightly said, we all are posting our activities in the group and that motivates us. I think even today morning when I woke up, I was not in a mood to go, but when I saw the groups, all were buzzing with activity. So I had to take that 1 hour of walk also. So thank you all of you for keeping us motivated. And as you said, sugar challenges and detox day, this should be a part of our lives. So as you rightly said, sir, we'll make sure that we come up with newer challenges for our participants so that everybody can get a lifestyle change. I would now request the Vice Chairman of our branch, CA Bishan Shah, to address all of us.
Thank you, Chairman Harit sir. And as it is said, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. And that's what our chairman Harit Bhai did for all of us. 73 days is basically, a very big days to go far. And that's why we all are together. He made me work, and today I am able to do 50 pull-ups from 5 or 2, and that's what he keeps us motivated. So Harit Bhai, thank you very much, and all the branches who join. And we request you all, chairman or leader of the branches, to make more and more members to participate this movement, and also penetrate this movement in your regions. So once again, thank you very much all.
Thank you, Bishan Bhai. I think I'm very happy to have both of them join us today. I'll tell you why. Because the Red FM 93.5 partners were got into a board because of Bishan Bhai. So I thank him for organizing everything, sir. Thank you for bringing them as partners. And also Rahul Bhai, I think we all know about Sangram Singh as our brand ambassador. And I told this in our inaugural session as well. It's because of the efforts of Rahul Bhai and our GST Commissioner Mahesh ji, because of whom we are having Sangram ji as a part of our event. So basically, this has been an entire team effort, and especially thanks to all the managing committee members of Ahmedabad branch. Anjali Ben has joined us, and other members who are there. To basically, they all are, we all are motivating each other daily. What better we can do daily? That's the best part that we find about this movement. I would now request Rahul Bhai to please address all of us.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, happy Mother's Day to all. Now, thank you all of you for the joining on this today Sunday morning, because now in the today's time we witness that the health is the most priority of everyone, and we as the chartered accountant always focus on the work and the wealth. So one of the quote that has been given by Jim Simmons, that even the wealth is compound when you have some good health. And this is the true movement 73, which has been started with by the idea of our chairman to give a movement in our life, because this is not just we can say a 73 days challenge or 73 days lifestyle change. It is a movement that will be cultivate the habits to change our lifestyle, to cultivate the fitness and utmost priority to our health. So thank you everyone for joining, and special thanks to our chairman for this wonderful idea. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rahul Bhai. I'll just say, since Rahul Bhai is here, he is the chairman of Vikasa at Ahmedabad branch, and I would urge all the branches who have joined us, we would like to connect to your students body as well. So me, Rahul Bhai, Vishen Bhai, Anjali Ben, we all will be in touch with you. In case we can also get all the students body together for this movement, let us have a common group, have a Zoom call together, understand, let us make aware the students as well as the family members to be a part of this movement. So this will be our target for the next week. With this, I would now request our secretary of the branch, Anjali Choksi, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Chairman. On behalf of Ahmedabad branch of ICI, we are thankful. Firstly, CA Pankaj Soni from Aurangabad for up tak 56 appreciation. I am sure we will reach under the dynamic leadership of our chairman more than 100 branches. Thankful to Shiv Bhagwan Asava from Thane for lovely shairis. We are also fond of shairi, especially chairman, vice Vikasa chairman Rahul Maliwal. Wonderful woman chairperson CA Sonia Arora from Jalandhar. Loved your story of being interdependent and not independent. Thank you. We look forward for your motivation session too. Grateful to CA Sanket Kalani from Kishangarh branch for your words of motivation. CA Sanjeev Agrawal Mathura, thank you for your and blessings of Sri Krishna. Lord Krishna is very close to our heart, and also the branch of Mathura. Thankful to CA Ranjit Warrior from Ernakulam branch for inculcating the importance of physical and mental health in Kerala. CA KU Dedia from Akola for reinforcing the importance of health and its activities and appreciating the Movement 73 challenges. We are also thankful to CA Bhishan Shah and CA Rahul Maliwal as usual for the lovely quotes. Congratulating once again the chairman. Every Sunday we keep on motivating each other. Under your dynamic leadership, this Movement 73 will become a national movement. Thank you all of you for joining us, appreciating our initiative and leading from the front. Let's keep motivating and inspiring each other. Once again, thank you, Secretary Ahmedabad branch of ICI. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Anjali.
Anjali.
It's a Mother's Day, and we are proud that we are having our secretary as a woman. So to all, we salute all our women around us. Great and happy Mother's Day.